Hey Upper East Siders. I went to the Upper East Side today.
You know you love me. XOXO. Gossip Girl.
Because that's where the closest Ulta is. Yeah, so today was the end of the 21 Days of Beauty. And I know that I need new makeup. So, and it's springtime, so let's spice it up a little bit. This is what I got. So I got this sleek makeup highlighting palette. It's called Cleopatra's Kiss. Also got, because I know I really should use this, but I got it's called Beautifully Bare Luminous Matte Makeup Primer with acai berry. It says lit from within on it. It's from e.l.f. Yay. I also got a new brush for my highlighter from e.l.f. It's new though, it's the angled foundation brush, and I'm very excited to use it with my sleep palette. And then, okay, this is my favorite thing that I got. It's the first thing I picked out. Sassy Siennas. Yeah. And let me open this. Oh my goodness, I'm the worst at opening boxes. So beautiful. Stuff I got today. I know, I bought a lot of stuff. I'm just joking. Some people come out of Sephora and Ulta with bags, and I'm like, bro, why? Why? It's fine. I only need a few things to make my face beat. So I'll show y'all how I do my spring makeup. It's gonna be the first time that I've used any of this stuff, so super excited. Let's get started. Feels so moisturized. I didn't even use that much. I really want to make sure I put it on my eyelids though, so that the color, the pigment, and the eyeshadow stay. So first I'm just gonna start with my normal foundation concealer routine. Brows. We are ready to use my new stuff. Okay, and with the sleek. Alright, y'all. This is not an everyday look. This is like, let's go to a festival. Because I never put colors on my eyelids. Believe you me. Is this gold under my eyebrow? It's like liquid. I freaking love it. Oh my gosh. I never wear this much makeup, but I love it. Liner. And then mascara. Ooh, I need some lashes for this look. Y'all, I'm giving myself so much life right now. Holy damn, who is that in the mirror? Cause I sure as hell know it me. Okay, I highly recommend Sassy Siennas and what is this? Sleek makeup. I freaking love both of these. I use the bright colors, but like usually I go to like more earthy tones. I did not use like the browns in here at all, which maybe I'll use on my next video. But yes, highly recommend these two. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I wish I had somewhere to go because I look bomb as hell right now. Hopefully you agree. If you do, give this video a like. And yeah, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And yeah, happy spring, even though it's like freaking 40s in New York right now, but it'll come soon. All right, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.